the Last Mile Internet Challenge. Extending wired infrastructure to new communities is a high-effort and costly undertaking. Wireless alternatives, while more cost-effective and flexible, come with significant performance compromises. Until now. Welcome to Wave Technology by Ubiquiti, a true wired replacement internet distribution platform with breakthrough economics. The Wave AP operates in the 60 GHz license-free band and is truly long-range. It comes in a single or triple sector configuration, which expands sector beam width, capable of incredible speeds and high capacity. A 5 GHz failover radio system is integrated to provide resilient link performance if needed. The Wave AP MiRO is designed to extend tower coverage and is ideally co-located at a customer site. The Wave Mesh takes this concept even further. Perfect for customer self-install, it serves the client while effortlessly expanding the ISP coverage area, all within an incredibly compact industrial design. Wave clients consist of 3 models: Nano, Long Range, and Professional. Wave Nano was designed for a seamless installation experience. Wave Long Range offers expanded range, while Wave Professional provides faster speeds. The Wave family is managed by a rapidly evolving UISP application, providing excellent network health monitoring, coverage analysis, and assisted link installation, along with complete ISP operations and customer management. Our ISP Design Center at ispdesign.ui.com allows any ISP or entrepreneur to successfully execute a business plan like never before. Design your network, simulate coverage, analyze the economics of your operation, and start attacking markets. Welcome to the future of last mile internet.